All right, welcome back to the workshop. We are going to make another shape similar to a circle called an ellipse. You may know it as an oval. All right. As always, we create our sketch and then choose our plane. Looking at it from the top, I don't have an ellipse on there, so I need to create and go down to an ellipse. It's got a little bitty picture of it next to it. And then I'm going to left click to start my ellipse. And every ellipse has two axes, so basically two imaginary lines that run through it, because an ellipse has a longer side and a shorter side. Let's look at it. So I'm going to click that. And so I'm going to choose the long side over here. Actually, I'm going to hit escape. And then I'm going to start it over here a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to click this. All right. So there's an ellipse where the long side is left to right and the short side is top to bottom. The long one is the major axis. The short one is the minor axis. Okay. Now I'm going to make another one. Click, drag, and then drag over here. I'm going to hit escape because I'm done. I can grab this. Oh, if I grab the side, I move it. So I can grab the center, like click and drag and go there. So now I've got my two ellipses, I guess. But I want to make these lines in the middle a certain size. Okay. See, these are construction lines. So I want to make them a specific size so that I have control over my sketch. So I click sketch dimension, choose the line I want, and then got this thing there. So let's just say 2, enter. So now I've got sketch dimension on this one because it's still doing a sketch dimension of 5.25, enter. So it made it a little bit longer. And then I can do the same thing over here. It's about 7, so let's make it 7. You can choose your own numbers. I can put it inside the oval, the ellipse, that's fine. Let's see, 3.5, enter. And then I'm going to hit escape because I'm done doing my dimensions. And so these ellipses have specific dimensions, 5.25 inches wide and 2 inches tall for that one. And then 3.5 inches wide and 7 inches tall for that one. Okay, there's my two ellipses. I can zoom out, screenshot, as always, save, call it ellipse, and then put it in your assignment and you're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions on an ellipse.